शैक्षणिक व्हिडिओमध्ये आपले स्वागत। सुधागड एज्युकेशन सोसायटीचे केआ बांठिया माध्यमिक विद्यालय व एन पालीवाला ज्युनियर कॉलेज नवीन पनवेल सादर करीत आहे शैक्षणिक व्हिडिओ।
Namaskar students, I am J.K. Kumar sir, maths teacher. Today we are continuing yesterday's lesson, that is similarity. Yesterday we have seen basic proportionality theorem, then angle, bisector of triangle and property of three parallel lines. Then we are going to see similar triangles. First we have to see the difference between the similar triangles and congruent triangles. Last one we have seen similar and congruent also, but here we are going to revise only in triangle ABC and in triangle DEF. The triangles having equal shape but different sides. In triangle ABC and in triangle DEF, angle A is congruent to angle E, angle B is congruent to angle E, angle C is congruent to angle F, and AD upon DE is equal to DC upon EF is equal to AC upon DF. Then triangle ABC similar triangle DEF according to one correspondence triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Here about congruent triangle, see here triangle PQR and triangle LMN. These are the same signs. These are the same signs. These are the same sign. And on sides also. That means these two sides are congruent. These two sides are congruent. These two angles are congruent, and remaining angles are also congruent. In triangle PQR and triangle LMN, angle P is congruent to angle N. Angle Q is congruent to angle M. Angle R is congruent to angle N, and side PQ is congruent to side LN, QR is congruent to MN, and TR is congruent to LN. Then and then only triangle PQR is congruent to triangle LMN. This is sign of congruent triangle and this is sign of similar triangle. But here in this lesson, now we consider only similar triangle, not congruent triangle. Here we see only the difference between similar triangle and congruent triangle, but consider only here similar triangle. Now our next article is test of similarity of triangles. Test of similarity of triangles. There are four tests of similarity of triangle. Number one is AAA test, means angle test. These are the two triangles. Here according to one correspondence of their vertices, triangle XYZ, one correspondence, triangle RST. These two angles are congruent, these two angles are congruent, and these two angles are congruent. That means triangle XYZ similar triangle RHT by AA test, means corresponding these three angles are congruent, therefore these two triangles are similar by AA test. Now there is second test of similarity of triangle, that is AA test. Again see these two triangles. Here these two sides are same. These two sides are same. That means these two angles are also congruent. But according to triangle DEF, one correspondence, triangle LMN. Triangle DEF similar triangle LMN by AA test, because their pair of two angles are congruent and therefore these two triangles are similar by this test. Now third test, see SAS test, that means side angle side test. Again see these two triangles according to one correspondence, triangle PSR, one correspondence, triangle PMT. This is the one correspondence of their respective vertices. Here in these two triangles, according to this one correspondence, TS upon PM is equal to SR upon MT. That means this side upon this side is equal to this side upon this side, and in between these two angles are congruent, means triangle TSR congruent triangle PMT, and therefore triangle TSR similar triangle PMT by SAS test. Now last test, it is 4 test. SSS test means side test. In these two triangles, according to this one-to-one correspondence, all these sides are equal in proportion. What is meant by equal in proportion? That means according to this one-to-one correspondence, DE upon NI here, ET upon ID this one, and BT upon ID, BT upon ND this one. That means these two triangles are similar by SSS test. These are the 4 tests of similar triangle. Then if triangles are similar, then there are some properties of similar triangles. There are 3 properties. These properties also seen in last year also. Number 1 is reflexivity, means each triangle is similar to itself. Each triangle is similar to itself. That means triangle ABC is similar to triangle ABC. Second property, symmetry. Symmetry means first triangle is similar to second triangle. That means second triangle is similar to first triangle. Triangle ABC similar triangle DEF. Then triangle DEF similar triangle ABC. And last property, that is transitivity, means first triangle is similar to second triangle is similar to third triangle. That means first triangle is similar to third triangle. This is the third property, transitivity. Now we are going to see practice set 1.3. It is based on similar triangles and test of similarity of triangle. In this practice set, second example from our textbook, triangle PQR and triangle LMN. These are the length of sides of triangles already given. There is one question: are these triangles are similar? If yes, by which test? We know the test of similarity of triangles. Here, triangle PQR, one-to-one correspondence, triangle LMN. These sides are given. We know the one-to-one correspondence. Now here we can write according to this one-to-one correspondence, PQ upon LM is equal to 6 upon 3. Is already given the length of sides of triangle. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6 is equal to 2 upon 1. This is first equation. Now QR upon MN. QR upon MN is equal to 8 upon 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 2 upon 1 is second equation. Now third ratio, PR upon LN. PR upon ln is equal to 10 upon 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10 is equal to 2 upon 1. This is third equation. From 1 to 3 equations we can write here PQ upon LM is equal to QR upon MN is equal to PR upon LN. From equation 1 to 3 all these RHS are same, therefore LHS are same. Now if these sides are in proportion, then we can write triangle PQR similar triangle LMN by SS test. Our question is, are these triangles are similar? Yes, these triangles are similar. By which test? By yes test. Then next one, that is fourth example from our textbook. This figure is already given in your textbook, and from this figure we are going to write given in triangle ABC. AP is perpendicular BC and BQ is perpendicular to AC is already given in our this figure. Here we have to prove triangle CPA similar triangle CQB, and if triangles are similar, then if AP is equal to 7, BQ is equal to 8, BC is equal to 12, find AC. We have to find the length of side of triangle ABC is AC. Now we are going to write proof. Again, I am telling you, we know the test of similarity. Here in triangle CPA, see this figure, triangle CPA, this one triangle CPA and triangle CQB, triangle CPA and triangle CQB. Angle C is repeat here, and that's why we can write here angle C is congruent angle C, common angle for both triangles. Then second one, angle APC is congruent to angle BQC. This one and this one, each is 90 degree, and therefore triangle CPA similar triangle CQB by which test? By AA test. Here we correct here by AA test. And if triangles are similar, we know if triangles are similar, corresponding sides are in equal proportion. CP upon CQ, this one, PA upon QB, this one, and CA upon CB, this one, corresponding sides of similar triangle. By putting given values, these values are given, we know. By putting given values in this ratio, 7 upon 8 is equal to AC upon 12. After cross multiplication, 8 into AC is equal to 7 into 12. AC is equal to 7 into 12 upon 8. 8 goes there, it is divided. 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. 7 into 3, that is 21, and 2 as it is 21 upon 2, that is 10.5. AC is equal to 10.5 is our required answer. This is the final answer for this example. Now we are going to see here. This is sixth example from our textbook. In our textbook, this trapezium A, B, C, D is given, and these two diagonals, diagonal AC and diagonal BD, intersect in point O. AB is parallel to DC, and diagonals intersects in point O is in our figure. If AB is equal to 20, DC is equal to 6, OB is equal to 15, then we have to find here OD. For that purpose, we are going to solve this example. For that purpose, here we have to prove these two triangles are similar first. If triangles are similar, then we can find easy required answer. And that's why we have to write here proof of these two similar triangles. In triangle OCD and triangle OAB. In our figure, triangle OCD and triangle OAB. That means these two triangles. We have to prove these two triangles are similar. See here again, angle COD is congruent to angle AOB, vertically opposite angles. Angle COD and angle AOB, these are vertically opposite angles. Then second one, angle ACD, see this figure, this one and this one, this one and this one, these two sides are parallel. This is transversal. These two sides are parallel. This is transversal. That means these two angles are congruent. By which test? These are the alternate angle you have seen in this last year in 9th standard. And therefore here we write angle ACD is congruent to angle CAB, alternate angle this one, and that is for our triangle ACD, means for this triangle OCD. Then CAB means for this triangle OAB, this one here. Angle OCD is congruent angle OAB from above this one, and therefore triangle OCD similar triangle OAB by AA test. We can show this third angle is also congruent. If we want to show, we can write this also triangle is congruent, and we can write here also by AAA test. But it is for our convenience, these two triangles are similar by AA test. If triangles are similar, corresponding sides are in equal proportion, corresponding sides of similar triangle. Then you put this value here. 6 upon 20 is equal to OD upon 50. These values are already given here. After cross multiplication, 20 into OD is equal to 6 into 50. Therefore, OD is equal to 6 into 50 divided by 20. 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are 15. 6 into 3 is 18 upon 4. And 18 upon 4 is 9 upon 2 is 4.5, that is OD is equal to 4.5. This is required answer if it is in box, and this is our final answer.